Is less really more? How can something with such few buttons replace something with so many buttons? Let's find out.
So this person writes, he has 10 keys. Obviously, it doesn't work letter for letter. This is actually a very common misconception. When most people see the device, they assume that every switch is what they're used to, a one-dimensional keyboard switch. But in fact, these are multi-directional switches, so I can output every letter individually, individual letters, of course, as well as numbers and special characters, anything that a keyboard can do. And then only when I output multiple letters at the same time do I get entire words. These are entire words. So, in this case, less is more, because I can still do everything a normal keyboard can, and over 17 billion more possible outputs. Thank you for the comment.